Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to grade 2 mathematics tutorial. And in this video lecture, we are going to complete the skill practice. Let's begin. This skill practice is about block graphs that we have already taken in detail about all types of the block graphs, like horizontal and vertical one. Right now, one block graph is shown here. You can look at this block graph. This one is a vertical block graph. And this block graph shows the number of magazines sold by a bookshop from Monday to Friday. That there is a bookshop selling magazine, and here is the detail in 1 week how they sold different magazine number of magazines. Like you can see on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, the number of magazines sold are shown in the form of the block graphs. If we look at this block graph, each box is showing 5 numbers, like starting from 0, then 5, 10, 15, 20. So we can say here the scale for this one is, we talk about the scale, it is 1:5, because one block, one box in this one is showing 5 numbers. 5 numbers. So we can say the scale is 1:5. So each box is representing 5 magazines. It means if we will take 2 box, it will represent 10, 3, 15, and so on. That scale will determine about the numbers. So we have to study this block graphs and answer certain question. But before moving to the answers, just have a look at these blocks. If we look at the Monday, Monday is ending at 15, Tuesday is ending at 40, Wednesday is ending at 35, Thursday is ending on 20, and Friday, the most number of books sold are on Friday, which are 55. If we draw the line straight from here, it is going to 55. So this is the basic information that we have about this block graph. So let's complete the few questions about that one. The first question is, Dash magazine was sold on Wednesday. So let's see how many magazines were sold on Wednesday. If we look at the Wednesday bar is ending at 35. So it means we will say 35 magazines were sold on Wednesday. And then the second is saying that more magazines were sold on Tuesday than Thursday. It means we have to compare Tuesday and Thursday. So let's see, compare the Tuesday and Thursday. If we look at Tuesday, in Tuesday 40 magazines are sold, and on Thursday 20 magazines are sold. So how many more are we need to subtract that? And if we will subtract, so we can say on Tuesday more magazines were sold, and how many more were? These were 20. So 20 more magazines were sold on Tuesday as compared to Thursday. So we will say 20 more magazines were sold on Tuesday than Thursday. Alright. So whenever you are comparing the two quantities and taking the more or less difference, so we need to subtract them. Now, if we look at the next question, just saying that more than 50 magazines were sold on. Now, looking at the block graph, we can say on Monday are less than 50, on Tuesday are less than 50, on Wednesday are less than 50, on Thursday are less than 50. On all these days are less than 50 except Friday. Friday are 55. It means it is more than 50. So we have to mention the name for the day in which are more than 50. So on which day are more than 50? So more than 50 magazines were sold on Friday. So Friday is the day where more than 50 magazines was sold. Okay, next is the least number of magazines were sold on. Again, we need to look for the block graph. The least number. Least number means less than all others. So looking at that one, this one is the least number, Monday. So the least number of magazines were sold on Monday. We will say on Monday. And then the mod of this block graph is, if we look at the mod means the most number are on Friday, so we will say is Friday. The mod of the block is Friday. So this is what we have for today's lesson. Inshallah, next time we will complete the next page. Thank you.